Top 5 Best Heated Jacket. Number 5. Ororo Men's Lightweight Heated Vest with Battery Pack. The lightweight Ororo Men's Heated Vest is a stylish, unisex-style, battery-powered vest option. It has a 7.4V CE certified battery and multi-step safety system that ensures the vest will not short-circuit. This Ororo vest heats to 25 degrees Celsius over 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The battery lasts approximately 10 to 12 hours on a low setting, approximately 6 to 7 hours on medium, and approximately 3 to 4 hours on high. Carbon fiber heating elements may be adjusted to warm your chest, mid-back, and collar. This heated jacket is constructed from durable wind and water-resistant 100% polyester. It is designed to allow unrestricted mobility. It allows you to charge your smartphone and other electronic devices through its USB port. While lightweight, the downside is that the material is thinner, reducing overall warmth. Recommendations. The Ororo Heated Men's Vest is designed for layering. It is well suited for milder weather use by hikers, walkers, campers, outdoor activities, construction, etc. A 1-year warranty is also included. Coming in number 4. DEWALT DCHJ060C1. DEWALT DCHJ060C1 Heated Jacket is a simple, easy to operate, soft-shelled stylish battery-powered jacket. It has 5 pockets including those on either side of the waist and outer chest, as well as 1 pocket on the inner left side of the jacket. 1 pocket may be designated for your smartphone and conveniently plugged into the USB port on the battery for charging. This DEWALT heated jacket runs on 20 volts over 12 volts. Max USB power. It has a DCB 200 120 volts. Max battery and DCB 100 120 watts over 12 volts. Battery charger. The maximum run time is approximately 7.5 on average. Carbon fiber heating elements may be adjusted to warm your chest, mid-back, and collar. All heating zones are operated by an LED controller that regulates 3 temperature setting plus a preheat option. This non-restrictive heated jacket comfortable and soft outer shell is constructed from durable water-resistant polyester. Its waistline and cuffs are adjustable to allow you to gain the best fit possible. It can also be taken on a plane, TSA approved. Remove the battery and check it separately. The downside is that this heated jacket battery is pretty bulky and obtrusive. This jacket also has no heated pockets to keep your hands warm and must be hand washed and air dried. Recommendations. The DEWALT DCHJ060C1 heated jacket is intended for use for all types of outdoor cold weather activity. A 1-year limited warranty on the jacket and a standard DEWALT 3-year limited warranty on the USB charger or power source are also included. Coming in number 3. Milwaukee M12 Heated Jacket Kit. Milwaukee's Heated Kit M12 heated jacket is highly rated, durable, high loft insulated, and stylish battery-powered jacket. It has 3 outer zip pockets, an inner zip pocket, and a low-profile battery pocket. This Milwaukee heated jacket runs on AM12 trademark red lithium 2.0 battery pack, included. All M18 trademark red lithium trademark batteries work as well. The maximum run time is approximately 8 hours. Carbon fiber heating elements may be adjusted to warm your chest, back, and/or hands, outer pockets. Each heating zone may be warmed separately using the 1-touch, 3-setting, LED controller. This non-restrictive heated jacket is constructed from durable wind and water-resistant tough shell stretch polyester, which gives the jacket 5 times longer life. Free flex mobility gussets provide improved mobility. It is machine washable and dryable. It can also be taken on a plane, TSA approved. The downside is that this heated jacket is more expensive than some comparably equipped heated jackets with battery and charger. Larger Kit M12 Milwaukee jacket sizes are available, but they tend to be significantly more expensive. Recommendations. The Kit M12 Milwaukee jacket is intended for use in harsh environments by contractors, tradesmen, etc. Although more expensive, it is highly durable, has superior heating, and allows excellent mobility. A 1-year limited warranty is also included. Coming in number 2. Ororo Heated Hoodie with Battery Pack. The lightweight Ororo Heated Hoodie is a relaxed fit, unisex-sized, battery-powered garment. It is casually designed with cotton, outer, and polar fleece, lining, for ultra comfort, mobility, and contained warmth. This heated hoodie runs on a quick heating 7.4-volt CE certified battery. The maximum run time is approximately 8 hours on average. Carbon fiber heating elements may be adjusted to warm your chest and mid-back using the 1-button, 3-level controller, low, med, high. A USB port is included to enable mobile device charging. This heated hoodie is constructed from breathable material composed of 60% cotton and 40% polyester. It is easy care, machine washable, and can also be taken on a plane, TSA approved. Remove the battery and check it separately. This heated hoodie may be machine washed but should be air dried. Due to the heating element wiring, it should not be twisted or wrung out to remove rinse water, or put in the dryer. Recommendations. The Ororo Heated Hoodie is intended for use for all types of outdoor cold, or warm weather activities. It may be worn alone or under a protective jacket. A 1-year warranty is included. 1. Ororo Men's Soft Shell. Whether you engage in outdoor activities or spend much time at a construction site, this jacket is definitely what you need. It is equipped with 3 heating elements and a powerful 5200 mAh battery that can operate up to 10 hours on a charge. Made from polyester material and with the use of soft shell technology, this garment is breathable, lightweight, flexible yet durable. For your comfort, the item has high, medium, and low temperature settings so that you could wear it not only in winter but also at different times of the year. Besides, the choice of settings allows you to control the battery's operation time. At the lowest setting, the temperature can be no more than 100 degrees Fahrenheit, with the battery's running time amounting to 10 hours. If you opt for the highest setting, the temperature will reach 130 degrees Fahrenheit, but the operation time will be reduced to 2 hours. So it's up to you to decide. That said, this garment is easy to use, just press the button and choose your preferred setting. In addition, you can safely wash it in a washing machine up to 50 times, but make sure that you have removed the battery beforehand. One more beneficial feature of this product is a USB port that will allow you to charge your phone or other devices in case there are no power outlets at hand. Recommendations. Ororo Men's Soft Shell Heated Jacket is designed for any season, from mild winter to cold autumn. This item is a great option for bikers, fishermen, hikers, campers, construction workers, and other people who spend a lot of time outdoors in unfavorable weather conditions.